black Durango.
So what
License, registration, insurance.
Man, I got license and everything. I just gotta put the license on.
Deputy Rolando with the sheriff's office, just so it stops being audio and video recorded. Reason I pulled you over is you ran the red light.
Willie Gary is one of my orders. You can get it right. Come on, bro.
You want to try that again in English?
Willie Gary is Mr. Whittaker in Martin County. That's my granddaddy. So you can get the auto card and you get everything.
License, registration, insurance.
Right here, boss.
That's not your license.
Boss, man, I lost my license at the club. My club is at the license. I run the club.
Okay. License, registration, insurance.
Boss, give me that right there. Give me that. Give me that. You got your light on?
My light?
I'm asking you, do you got your body cam on?
Body cam, yes.
Yes.
I told you, this stop is being audio and video
Give me
recorded.
my registration if I give you my license and registration and insurance.
No, I'm not giving you that back. I need your registration.
Okay,
license,
well, get that.
Registration,
11-19-81. Get that.
Do you have your insurance?
I'm telling you that you got everything that you just took.
This is registration.
Thank you. That's my license.
License?
Man, license and registration in that paper right there.
Comma. Registration.
No, I'm telling you, I left my registration and my license in the club. That's my motherfucking identification card and registration.
That's not your identification card.
So
it's a registration.
So what you asked for?
Your driver's license and insurance.
It's in the paper, so you got it in your right here. Thank you.
This is just
Thank you. You can run my name. Run my name.
Do you have a license and insurance?
I got a license, insurance, and a registration, but my license is at the club.
Okay. Do you have proof of insurance?
Okay, so I'm telling you that. Get the paper right there.
Do you have proof of insurance?
Oh my God. I got proof of insurance and Mr. Willie Gary insurance card.
Fantastic.
That's
Let me see your
that's my granddaddy.
Okay.
So so the paper that you got right here.
Do not touch me. Do you have your insurance?
Sir, you got the paper right there.
That's a registration.
That's the insurance and a registration. I gave you two papers. You ain't got no one paper. Look at it. The fuck?
How many times? I'm not going to go over this anymore.
Man, go through the paper, sir.
This is a registration.
Okay, so you can run my dare new.
Do you have proof of insurance?
I got proof of insurance in my name. So why the fuck would I have registration? Thank you. Man, what do you want, sir?
They are three separate things.
You
a driver's license. Listen. Listen to me. Listen.
Listen what?
A driver's license
and your insurance and your charge.
This is a registration.
Get your insurance
and an insurance.
Get your insurance card or get your captain.
I don't need my insurance card. I'm asking you for yours.
I'm telling you, bitch, it is right there. You can run my name.
That's a registration.
Run the name.
Do you have proof of insurance?
I got proof of anything that you want.
Let me see your proof of insurance.
Go get it. You got my name.
You are required by Florida statute to show proof of insurance.
Man, you got my name and my insurance card. Why is you taking me through this? I'm asking you this.
Do not step out.
Thank you, sir. You crazy, bro.
Come back here. Stop reaching.
Stop doing it. Bro, what is you doing? Turn your cam.
Back. It's been
Turn
on.
your body cam on.
I told you from the start.
Okay.
Stop it.
Come on. Come on.
Front of the car.
Turn your body cam on.
It's been on from the start.
Turn your body cam on.
It's been on.
So why the fuck you asking me for acceleration and registration? You got my fucking insurance card.
This is a registration. I'm not gonna cover it.
You got my name and my fucking birth certificate in here. Why are you going through that? Go get your captain.
Captain's not working right now.
Man, go get your captain or your sergeant, cause you crazy. How the fuck you ain't got Derek Gerard 1111 supposed to stop taking me through that, bro. Stop acting like I'm from Martin County, bitch, and I know your sergeant. So go get your sergeant.
You know my sergeant?
Man, bro.
You know my sergeant?
Bro, go get your sergeant and your lieutenant. I ain't got nothing to do.
You know him? Call him.
Go get him.
You said you know him.
Man, go get him. Hold on. Damn, you ain't got my car. You ain't got my license and my registration, bro. Why the fuck you go pull me over and I'm telling you my name, my insurance, and my service card? He tell my you know what you're doing? You making yourself known, ain't it?
Sure, whatever that means.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I've asked you for three things. You gave me one of the three.
And I gave you one of them. You can look at everything before you work on it. Come on, bro. Stop being slow, bro.
No, listen to me.
How am I supposed to know? Derek Gerard.
How am I supposed to know that?
I got a license, I got a registration, and I got insurance. What the f is you telling me to get three from wrong for? Come on, bro. Stop playing dumb. Mr. Willie Gary is my boy. Hey, bro, if I see you guys, y'all gonna be crying. So
I'm
stop
glad
doing
that your
bro.
relative is Willie Gary.
Man, that.
Your daddy could be Donald Trump himself.
And your daddy could be Donald Trump. Man, once you get the perfect work. Come on, do it your job. Yeah, you slow, ain't you? You ain't stop with people that ain't got registration and license and insurance. Bro, I got all that. Go get your sergeant.
You've yet to give me.
Bro, go get your sergeant. Bro, I don't want to talk to you no more. I'm gonna make you work tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, because you doing slow shit, bro. You got a license, insurance, and a registration. Why the f you pulling me over? What did I do?
You ran the red light at 20th Street and you were doing 57.
You ran the layer right. Both of us ran the layer right. I was waiting on you to do that. I got a camera in there, bro.
Fantastic.
Yeah, thank you. Go get your car and your insurance. Man, go get your captain, bro. Go get your sergeant.
Captain's not working.
So where's your sergeant? Where's your sergeant?
I don't need my sergeant.
I know that. Boss man. Come here, boss. My name Darren Newberg. My name Darren Gerard. See, I snatched it. I'm not doing nothing, bro.
Okay, what's your issue?
He snatched mine.
Okay, don't walk up on me like that.
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying?
My bad.
My personal space,
Boss,
right?
man, listen to me. Bro, my name is Martin County. I'm from Martin County.
Okay.
And I got big for a bargain. He told me he passed me a red light. Both of us at the red light.
Okay.
When it was a yellow light, both of us ran through the red light. He pulled me over. I don't give a f. You give me the ticket, whatever. But I'm telling him I got license, insurance, and registration.
Okay.
So tell him to run it, sir.
Did you give him all that stuff?
The bitch took the fucking paper from me like I ain't did nothing wrong.
Did you give him your driver's license?
Man, I gave him everything. Tell him to go shit that shit, boss.
So what's the issue?
That's what I'm saying. He act like he mad. Both of us ran the red light, so don't act like me and you ain't ran the red light.
Settle down for a second, man.
No, I'm just telling him.
Okay.
Both of us ran the red light.
All right, you told him
So I was
time.
behind you, were behind me. Stop making that fake shit, bro. I'm from Martin County, bitch, and I give you Bureau County, bitch. I'm doing my job. I'm doing my job, sir.
What's your job?
My job is to listen to you. But if you tell me to run the light with you, what the fuck I'm gonna go at? Come on, bro. Stop being a jackass, bro, and do your job, bro. I got people work for the people saying the fuck.
Chill for a minute.
Yeah, I don't like that shit, bro. They talk about give me your right. You run my name in the insurance, bro. I got insurance and license, bro.
I told you 8
Both of
times.
us ran the red light.
It is required.
Both of us ran
It is
the red
required
light.
by Florida state statute for you to
Both of
provide
us
me
ran
with a
the red
license
light.
and proof of insurance.
So proof of insurance.
Do you have proof of insurance?
Run the f***ing name.
Do you
have
have
it or
proof
not?
of insurance?
Run the f***ing name.
It's not my job.
Run the red
Okay.
lane.
You do not have
Come
proof
on,
of
bro.
insurance. Got
That's a
it.
no.
Boss man, I got it. Yeah, come on.
Derek, look at me.
That's what I'm talking
You're in the
about.
middle of-
Hey,
Derek,
listen
don't
to
talk
focus
to
on
me.
me.
Derek.
Fuck him.
That's enough.
Yeah, bro. Listen on me,
No,
bro.
Shut up and listen to me right now.
That shit
All right?
aggravating, bro.
'Cause if
I
you don't
come
stop,
here every week, I
if you
get
don't,
pulled.
if you don't stop,
Bro, I get pulled every weekend.
stop.
I work right there. at the-
You know why you get pulled every weekend?
No.
Because you act like a fool out here.
But it's
That's
the
why.
same
Stop,
person.
Derek. Stop.
It's the same person.
Stop. That's why you get pulled. Because
All
you keep
right.
acting a fool.
All
You know what I'm
right, bro.
saying?
No,
I
it's
can't
the
get 3
same
words out my.
person, bro.
I can't.
It's the same person, bro. It's
I don't know
the
you from
same
nobody.
person.
This is my first impression of you, and you act like a
but
fool
it's
right
the
now.
same
You won't let
person,
nobody
bro.
get 2 words out their mouth before you run your mouth.
Because it's the same person, boss. That's the only thing I'm mad.
Okay, and listen.
It's the
Stop.
same
Derek.
motherfucker, bro.
Yeah. Shut up for 5 seconds. Let me say a word. Right?
Yes.
That's how a conversation works.
Yes, sir.
You won't let nobody get a word out.
No, because I
All right?
ain't wrong.
Okay. Well, I'm not him, am I?
I know.
I just rolled up here.
All right,
and I'm
bro.
trying to have a conversation with
All
you.
right, bro.
But you want to act a fool about
Yes,
it.
sir.
You know what I'm
No,
saying?
I never want to act a fool. I just want my respect.
Then let's have a conversation like two grown-ass men.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay? If he's writing you a ticket for the red light, you got an issue with it, you have your opportunity to take him to court. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, that's it.
So that's what you do.
Because I don't know, bro.
Put your left foot on the line.
Left,
Right foot in front, heel to toe.
one,
Hands down to your side.
side.
Okay, now remain in that position until I
Two,
tell you to begin.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9.
Okay. Next one is called the one leg stand.
Bro, you ever did this to a white person?
I've done it to plenty of people.
Bitch, I ain't funny. Turn your camera on.
Been on.
Turn your camera on.
It's been on.
Cobra, turn your camera on.
Derek.
Okay, stand up. Face that camera right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, John? Can I call my girl?
When we get to the jail, you're under arrest.
You said I can't call my girl?
When we get to the jail, you're under arrest. Stop moving.
You
Stop
said,
moving.
Man, stop.
Derek, stop.
Bro, stop that shit, bro. If I get y'all sued, bro. Put my shoes on, bro.
Stop.
Put my shoes on.
Stop it.
Oh, y'all pushing me? Turn the camera on.
They're on.
Turn the camera on, bro. Man, turn the
I
camera
can't.
over the
Tighten it up.
Bro,
Yeah.
you tighten them
Stop moving. I'm trying not to tighten it.
up. So why the fuck you grab?
Stop turning towards me.
Bro,
That's all you gotta do.
Call my girl, bro. Come on, hurry up with your fucking ass.
Stop trying to grab
No, I
stuff.
ain't grabbing you, bitch, with the wrist on. Bro, you see what he did?
Yeah, you acting fool.
How the fuck I'm acting a fool, bro? Man, hurry up with your wrist, bro. Hurry up. Bro, you please.
Spread
I
your
swear
feet.
if you slam me, bro.
Spread your
Bro,
feet.
if you swing me, I swear to God, don't swing me, bro.
Derek, spread your feet.
I'm asking you to swing, don't swing me.
Let's spread your feet.
Bro, get on top of the car. That nigga swung me. Bro, why is you swinging me, bro? Why is you
Stop
swinging
grabbing me.
me? Bro, he ain't swinging you, bro. He's swinging me.
Stop.
He's swinging me, bro. Let me go, man.
Stop it.
Bro, stop letting me go, bro.
Stop.
Stop letting me go. Oh, this bitch got that face on me. Oh, yeah. Load your camera. Load your camera, bro.
Get in.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah, with the 56.
You better let me out. Hurry up. I swear to God, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
We're gonna hobble and I'm just gonna go to the
Hurry
jail.
up. Bro, I can't breathe back here, bro. I'm giving you 10 seconds. I can't breathe, bro. I can't fucking breathe, bro. Bro. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. I can't breathe back here, bro. Let's go.
At around 0315 hours, an officer observed a driver stop at a red light before continuing through the intersection while the light was still red. The officer flips a U-turn and conducts a routine traffic stop on the vehicle. They'll be surprised by the driver's attitude and how quickly he name drops his law enforcement.